Yo YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Just a quick video today to show you how to get admin commands in 99 Nights in the Forest. Now this is a working secret code that you can use and enter in 99 Nights in the Forest, and it's going to give you access to the admin panel, and these are a bunch of commands that give you tons of free diamonds. You can get invincibility, you can even make your character fly, and these are the best admin commands available right now in 99 Nights in the Forest. So before I start this video, guys, make sure you drop a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I do plan on making many more Roblox game tutorials. So let's get into this specific video. So as you can see, guys, to get admin commands in 99 Nights in the Forest, you need to use your mobile phone internet browser. You can do this on any device with an internet connection, and you've just got to go to www.coldcoupons.com. So just type it exactly like this into whatever mobile phone internet browser you choose, and it's going to bring you to this website here. Now they have loads of pages on here, guys, as you can see. So what you're going to want to do is use the search bar and search for the codes page for 99 Nights in the Forest, and this is the available codes. There's a few verified working coupon codes right now, and as you can see, thousands of people have used these, hundreds are using these today alone. So scroll down and find the admin commands code. So this is it, guys, 99 Nights in the Forest admin commands panel. So this is a simple code that you can enter in your game, and it's going to unlock the admin panel. And this gives you tons of features. I'm sure you're already aware, but you can literally spawn things. You can get free diamonds and more. So essentially, guys, your admin code is currently locked, and you need to unlock your code to basically get your admin commands. So click on Get Full Code, and you're going to see this screen here. And this basically talks you through the steps that you need to take to unlock your code. So I'm going to skip through this, but it says complete 2 of the free offers below to unlock your code from Cold Coupons. So long story short, guys, you need to complete 2 of the tasks on this page. They're all completely free, and they're simple things like installing mobile applications, answering survey questions, just read the description and fully complete a couple of the tasks. And if you do that, it will redirect you back to Cold Coupons, and your admin commands code will be fully unlocked in the box here. And yeah, that is how to get admin commands in 99 Nights in the Forest. So this is the quickest and easiest method, guys, 100% working, because it is just a code, secret admin code. So head on over to Cold Coupons, and that is how to do it, guys. If you need any help, feel free to ask away in the comment section. Smash the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.